Hi, I'm Donna Wolf from Nastasia.com.
Today I'll show you how to crochet a Solomon's knot scarf, which is nice and lightweight. I'm using only 60 yards of a DK weight yarn, as this stitch doesn't take much at all, and a size G crochet hook. To begin, I'll show you the easiest way to do the Solomon's knot. Start with the chain 2 and single crochet in the second chain from the hook. To do one Solomon's knot or love knot, lift your hook. Place your finger here, yarn over, and pull through. Try to tug a little bit to secure it. Then go into the knot and single crochet. And that's it. I'll show it again. Lift your hook, place finger, yarn over, then single crochet. Now we have 2 knots. And here's the third one. Wrapping the yarn around your finger will help make the same size loops in this scarf. You'll need to make a total of 7 loops, or any odd number of loops for the width you would like. To begin row 2, instead of a traditional turning chain, we're going to make 3 turning knots instead. So make 3 knots. Then turn your work. Skip the first 4 single crochet stitches from your hook and single crochet into the 5th single crochet. To verify if you did this correctly, you should have 4 loops. Now all subsequent stitches on this row will consist of only 2 knots. We'll skip the next single crochet and instead single crochet into the next single crochet. And you could see the same 4 loops or knots here again. And again, make 2 more knots. Skip the next single crochet, then single crochet into the next single crochet. I'll do this again. Make 2 Solomon's knots or love knots. Skip the next single crochet, then single crochet into the very last one. Your work will look a bit messy. It eventually looks better. Start off with the 3 turning knots. Then turn your work. Skip the first 4 single crochet stitches and single crochet into the 5th single crochet. Make 2 knots this time since we're on the normal row part. Skip 1 single crochet, and if you notice, that skip stitch has a lot of stitches in it. You'll make your single crochet into the next single crochet, which is all by itself. Then make 2 more love knots. skip that filled single crochet and single crochet into the next one, which is by itself. Make 2 more love knots. Skip the filled single crochet and single crochet into the very last single crochet. Still a little bit messy, but we will continue on to the next row, which, if you've noticed, is just a repeat of row 2. Instead of turning chains, we do our 3 love knot turning knots again. Then turn our work. Skip the 4 single crochet stitches and single crochet into the 5th one, which is by itself. Then make the 2 love knots. Skip the next filled single crochet and single crochet into the next single crochet. As you can see, after a few more rows, it starts looking better. Continue making rows until your scarf is about 36 inches in length, or whatever length you wish. And that's how I crochet a Solomon's knot scarf.
Thanks so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified of new videos from me each week. And if you liked the video you just watched, be sure to check out my next video, which I think you'll like very much.